Alright, so the yaris is almost done. Right now I'm going to work on the fog light. So since the bumper is already off the car, so might as well put the fog light so that we're going to have a better light during the winter, especially the winter. It's really hard to drive without a good lighting. So alright, let's start putting the fog light. So here's the kit that I got from online. Got your manual, how to install, wiring diagram, and your bracket. So it's gonna go here. Oh, there's the other way. So this is gonna go this way, right? So you're gonna remove this, right? So there's a couple of clips there, and then you insert this to replace it so that you can screw on the fog light here. So pretty much the fog light is here. So you got all the wirings here, right? Pretty much you need to for the install, and your fog light here. So it's right there. So this fog light it's supposed to go here. Right? So it should go here like that. So alright, let's work on it. So I put it wrong. So what actually happened is you don't need the screws on this side, so all you have to do is just insert it. There you go. Right? You insert it here, and then you can screw it there at the back. Right there. Right? So you only have 2 screws, so it's just perfect. Well, the screw is not too big. The screw is not big enough, so I'm gonna go find a right screw. So here it is. Fog light is installed. I put a new screw because the one that comes with it doesn't fit. It's too small. So that's what it look like. Right? So it's a really good fit. Right, in this side you don't need the screw because it's an insert bracket here. So that's good. And now we're gonna do the other side. So here's the other side. That's really solid. So it's a good fit. Very good fit. Now I'll put the wiring. But I'm not gonna using the bulb that comes with it because I have a LED. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the existing bulb for this because I want to put an LED. So this is an LED. So this is the LED bulb that I got, and this is the original bulb, traditional bulb. So that's what it looked like. Now, so for the LED, you're gonna make sure for the LED you're gonna make sure you're in the right polarity. The red is the positive, black is the negative, and also on the LED says over here positive and negative. So you make sure you're in the right polarity when you put this in. Right. No, you want to check your bulb once the wiring is installed. You gotta check your bulb. There you go. Very bright. So bulb works. Then we can continue. Now obviously this is too long of the wires. So what I'm going to do, probably get zip tie here. Right here. Or Alright, so the wiring is done for the bumper part, because there's two parts of the wire. So this wire here is for the bumper and the fog light wires, as you can see. That's what it look like. Alright, everything is nice and tight there. It's not loose. Right, because this is an extra wire, because this fog light is universal. For what I know on the menu was manual was any Corolla, a Camry, and even a RAV4, this fog light will fit. So that's done, and now I have to go and put this bumper back and hook this wire to the car. This wire here, so it's gonna connect it here. So this wire I'm going to connect here, and we're gonna go wire up this wire to the car. Alright, so finally done with my wiring. So I did not hook up the switch from the inside. Instead, I hooked up the switch to my headlights. So if I turn on my headlights, also the fog lights. That way I don't have to bother to on and off the fog lights. I want it on all the time anyway. So I hooked up my fog lights into my headlights. So every time I turn my headlights, also the fog lights will turn on. So here's I wired it up. This is the wire for the fog lights. So you're positive here, and this is my my battery is low, so I just put my booster here. So this is the relay for the fog lights, right? So like I said, from here to the relay down to the bottom to the fog light, and this is the wire switch to the. This goes to the relay for the headlight relay. This wire here. So every time I turn on the headlights, this will trigger my this relay to turn on, and then my fog lights is on. So right now this is what it looked like. Right, so that's the fog light. Right now my headlights is a little bit blurry, so I'm gonna in the future I'm gonna re-clear it so that they're gonna be look brand new again. So the bumper is not completely installed yet. This is just a test. So what it's gonna be look like. So if we turn on the headlights, right? So let's turn on the headlights. So this is what we're gonna look like, right? Oh, my booster has got a timer. There you go. So that's what it looked like, right? Yeah, I got a completely dead battery here. So this is what it looked like on the other side. So yeah, that's done. Thank you for watching. If this is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thank you. See you in the next video.